Have you ever wondered how your diet could affect your kidney health? Well, you're about to find out. It's no secret that our kidneys are vital organs, tirelessly working to filter waste from our bodies. But did you know that the foods we consume can greatly influence their function? Yes, certain superfoods can even help repair and rejuvenate them. Intriguing, isn't it? So let's embark on this fascinating journey of discovering how to nourish our kidneys. Stay tuned as we delve into the 7 superfoods that can help repair your kidneys. There are certain foods that are known to be particularly beneficial for kidney health. Let's delve into them. Our first superfood, cabbage, is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. It's packed with vitamin K, vitamin C, and fiber, all of which are great for your kidneys. The high fiber content in cabbage helps to regulate your digestive system and flush out toxins, keeping your kidneys healthy and functioning well. Next on the list is bell peppers. These colorful veggies are low in potassium, which is perfect for those with kidney concerns. Plus, they're full of the antioxidant vitamin C, which protects your cells from damage and aids in the absorption of iron, ensuring that your kidneys function properly. Garlic, our third superfood, is a great flavor booster that's also wonderful for your kidneys. It has anti-inflammatory properties and is known to reduce cholesterol, both of which aid in maintaining kidney health. Moving on to apples, a favorite of many. This fruit is full of fiber and has anti-inflammatory properties. Plus, it's a good source of vitamin C. An apple a day could indeed keep the kidney doctor away. Berries, especially strawberries and blueberries, are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. They help to reduce inflammation and oxidative damage, which are the root causes of many kidney diseases. Our penultimate superfood is egg whites. They are a pure source of protein and contain all the essential amino acids your body needs. They are also low in phosphorus, which makes them an excellent choice for those with kidney concerns. Finally, fish, specifically fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are high in omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are known to reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure, both of which can help keep your kidneys in tip-top shape. These 7 foods are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients essential for kidney health. Incorporate them into your diet and your kidneys will surely thank you. Now that we've explored these superfoods, let's summarize their benefits for kidney health. These 7 foods are not just tasty additions to your meals, but they also pack a punch when it comes to kidney health. Red bell peppers, for instance, are low in potassium, making them an ideal choice for those watching their kidney health. They also carry a wealth of vitamins C and A, antioxidants that aid in repairing and maintaining your kidneys. Cabbage is another superfood that's high in vitamin K and fiber, yet low in potassium and phosphorus. These properties make cabbage a kidney-friendly powerhouse. Then we have garlic, a flavorful bulb that reduces inflammation and lowers cholesterol, 2 factors that can contribute to kidney damage if left unchecked. Apples and berries, particularly cranberries, are high in anti-inflammatory compounds and fiber, which can help to reduce kidney damage over time. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in abundance in fish, have been shown to reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure, both of which are beneficial for kidney health. And let's not forget about egg whites. They are a high-quality protein source, rich in essential amino acids, which are crucial for kidney repair and maintenance. Incorporating these superfoods into your diet can pave the way for optimum kidney health. They're not just delicious, but they're also brimming with nutrients that your kidneys will thank you for. Remember, a healthy diet is key to maintaining not just kidney health, but overall well-being. So why not start adding these superfoods to your meals today?